so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. Yeah, we just never get it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy, but not enough to say goodbye. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, oh, oh,
Okay guys, so we are going to Dallas, around the world, Dallas Airport International. We've been exclusively invited. Once again, right? Woohoo!
You're invited for a second time.
Second time in a row. That means they must like us. Alright, so come with us and we are gonna go to the terminal. So it's gonna be at a mid-level lounge. So
I'm so excited because we also have 5K subscribers. So thank you.
5K subscribers! Woohoo! We are celebrating.
If I had the chance, I'd probably break free. I could have my ways and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion. Yeah, I sometimes feel like I can grow up. I'm drinking beer right out my coffee cup.
Guys, so we are in the restroom, just taking our last restroom break, and then we go in there. But check out our outfit though. Fit check. I think I need to.
So what, I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing. It goes like, I guess it's been a while since I was told last. I can be like this and I can be like that. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, yeah. Have you ever felt like you was on display? Every word you said just had to be explained. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what, I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own.
Good morning, everyone. So it's so nice to place a name to the face. This is a celebration of economic development, of workforce development, and also tourism. That's really important. If you're here, you're a valued member of the airport ecosystem, and we're excited to further engage with you and your team. Okay, so we have an incredible day planned for you, separated into two parts. The first part is over here. I saw some of you peeking over into the second part. Don't worry, we'll get to that. But the first part of the day is going to be full of important and intuitive conversations surrounding Washington Dulles International Airport. And who better to start us off than the manager of this airport? I am pleased to introduce first up the Vice President and Airport Manager of Washington Dulles International Airport, Richard Golanowski. He is going to talk to us about how Washington Dulles is specifically positioned for growth and for your engagement.
As we continue to grow, we remain committed to growing the National Capital Region any way we can. And we are deeply rooted in our community. About the DMV again, you know that that's a big chunk of land here. You don't have 12,000 acres of space in the DMV. Therefore, we're using that for that growth. We're using that potential, that 12,000 acres, to add new capacity, both in our facilities and in our runways. Right now, in 2024, we hit a record of over 27 million passengers. We're looking to grow to 38 million passengers by the year 2040. But you don't do that with the facilities that we have today. Right now, we have 92 passenger loading bridges, 139 aircraft parking positions. I mentioned 51 airlines that serve the airport. 1,200 flights in and out of this airport every day. And think about where we're going, what I said. We want to double that, essentially, by 2040. And also, this can't happen without our public service, our public safety officials. If you didn't know, we have 3 fire stations on this airport and 1 police station. All that is needed to make this airport grow. Talking a little bit more about growth, over the next 5 years, 32% growth in passenger traffic.
Thank you, Richard, and good morning, everyone. And thank you for joining us today. My name is 𝐿MT&x, an employee development specialist. I'm honored to be here with my esteemed colleagues, as well as the contracting opportunities that exist for our small business partners. Now,
Just wanna be myself. I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show 'cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing.
Alright guys, so we are excited. We are here once again. Oh, let's go live.
We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. Yeah, we just never get it right. You're playing games with me and my sympathy, but not enough to say goodbye. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. So here we go again, with silly arguments that always end up in a fight. But we can still pretend that this will never end. We just make up and let it slide. Oh, 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 we stick together, but I know, oh, oh, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance, with liquid confidence. We find each other every night. But if I were to let you go, if I would pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. We're so dysfunctional, but still inseparable. We're never getting it right. We're never getting it right. You're playing games with
The best information. Very nice to meet everyone. Hope everyone had a great time and welcome back anytime.
Give it up for bags and leave without you and be out there on my own, then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. Oh, 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 the girl, but I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you, and oh, I know it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere.
Alright guys, so we are having lunch right now. And this is good.
Yeah, I got one of them.
I got mine too. It's really good.
So keep on dancing, baby.
Come back, travel to our airport, please. And video it, be posted on your pages. Please, thank you. All right, so there's more, of course. And Dulles Airport is a fantastic destination you can take with us. Your journey begins with us, right?
Woohoo!
Okay, so let's do it again. All together. Your journey
Begins with us.
Don't forget it, okay? It begins with Dulles Airport and it'll end at Dulles Airport.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get